Hi, welcome to IGCSE Maths. In this video, I will going to tell you about the slope and then the types of the slope. So here we have the slope. What is slope? Slope is the ratio that is rise over run. So slope is a number that tells you how steeper the line is and in which direction is moving on. And slope can also tell you about the change in y coordinate over the change in x coordinate. If I wanted to calculate the slope, I need change in y value and the change in x value. Here is another way to represent the slope formula. Here, this is delta that represents the difference between the y value, difference between the x value. And this triangle can also be called the change in. The change in y is the distance between both the y values, which is also called the rise. The change in x is the distance between both x values, which is called run. So slope is also called the rise over run, gradient, slope, and slant of a line. If I wanted to find out the slope of any of the 2 points on the given straight line, so first I need to find out the coordinate pairs of the given point. So here I have the coordinate pair that is 2 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis. Another coordinate pair is 5 on the x-axis and 6 on the y-axis. So here we have the coordinate pairs 2, 4, 5, 6. So change in vertical direction representing the change in x value, and the change in horizontal direction is tell you the change in y values. So here I got the coordinate pairs from the given point. Our formula is m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So as our pair for the y is 6 for the y2 and 4 for the y1, and 6 minus 4 and 5 minus 2. So here 6 minus 4, 5 minus 2, our slope is 2 over 3. So in this way we can find out the slope. Now it's time to move on types of slopes. In this video, I will going to cover the positive slope and the negative slope. For the zero and undefined slope, I will going to make the separate video. So here we have the positive slope. Positive slope means that the line is increasing, in other words, or moving from left to right, or inclined. There is an increase in line moving on. As x is increasing, y is increasing. So for positive slope, our change in y value should be positive, and change in x value should be positive. Either both the values can be negative, or both the change in y value or change in x value can be negative. Look at this graph. If I suppose our slope is 1. I already drew a line for you. If our slope is 1, here x increases by 2 and y increases by 2. In the same way, x increases by 2 and y increases by 2. So as x increases, y increases. And negative slope means that the line is decreasing. It means it moving from right to left. If we have the negative slope, our change in y value, we can take it positive, and change in x value can be negative. In the same way, for negative slope, change in y value can be negative and change in x value can be positive. So here we have the graph. For negative slope, here I taking the example of negative 2 slope. So our x value is getting increased and our y value is getting decreased by 2. Again, x value getting increased by 1 and y value getting decreased by 2. In this way, our slope is getting decreased more faster. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.